This literature kit on Beyond the Bright Sea by Lauren Wolk enhances students' experience with the book. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Give your opinion on Asha's motives. Imagine the meaning behind the lamb and feather. Complete a timeline of emotional moments that occur in the novel. Put yourself in Crow's shoes and make a pro and con list for sharing the secret treasure location. 4 additional extension activities follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as completing the faded message Crow received from her parents. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Design a treasure map with key places from the novel. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.